Hello students, today we will do article writing. Article writing is very important part of your writing skills and it is very important as far as your exam is concerned as it carries 10 marks. Okay, so first of all we will know what is an article. Article is a piece of writing that is published in a newspaper or magazine. So writing an article is very easy. Okay, and it is very, and you can easily get marks in article writing. Okay, and the format of article writing is very simple and easy. Okay, it consists of three parts: part 1, part 2, and part 3. Part 1 is about heading. Okay, part 2 byline, and part 3 body. Okay, now we will discuss all the part 1 heading. Okay, it includes the title. Okay, title of the article. Okay, and title should be to the point, catchy, and it should not be more than 5 to 6 words. Okay, and it should be grammatically correct. There should be no grammatical mistake in your heading. And second parts, which is known as byline. Okay, in byline we will write the name of the person who is writing the article. Okay, now the third part means body. It is the most important part of an article. It consists of at least 3 to 4 paragraphs. Okay, it consists of at least 3 to 4 paragraphs: paragraph 1, paragraph 2, and paragraph 3. In paragraph first we will write the introduction. Okay, we will simply write about the article, we will simply write about the issue, problem. Okay, you can start with your article with a slogan, an amazing fact, etc. Okay, it should be very short. Okay, in paragraph second you will write the details. Okay, full details, what is the current scenario of that issue, of that problem you are writing about. Okay, and its causes and effect, means all the details should be written in paragraph second. And now we will come to our concluding part, paragraph third. Okay, in paragraph third we will write conclusion, suggestion. Okay, means what we think that it should be done regarding this problem, what improvements can be done regarding this, what should be done by the government. Okay, now we will see an example. Okay, see here I have written example for you. Many cases of road accidents are reported every day. Innocent people lose their lives on the road. Write an article in about 150 to 200 words highlighting the issue of rash driving. You are Abhishek Akansha Sharma. Okay, so as I told you, first of all we will write the heading. So we will write the heading in the middle of our page. As I told you, it should be catchy and it should be precise. Drive safe, be safe. Okay, and your title should be written in capital letters. Okay, it should be catchy, it should be short, and it should be impressive. It attracts your reader. Okay, it is all about heading. Then we will write the byline. So byline means the person who is writing the article. By, as name is given, you may choose any one of these names, Abhishek or Akansha. I will choose Abhishek. So here I will write the name of the writer, Abhishek Sharma. Okay, so it is very simple. First of all we will write the heading, okay, or title, and then byline. Then we will leave a line. Then we will write the main body. Okay, as I told you, body consists of 3 paragraph. Paragraph first, we will write introduction. Okay, in second paragraph details, cause effects, present scenario, etc. And in the paragraph thirds, okay, we will write conclusion, suggestion, etc. So keep remember one thing, that paragraph first and paragraph third are comparatively shorter than paragraph 2. Okay, paragraph second has more length than these two paragraphs. So please keep remember these things, and your language should be very simple. Okay, it should be grammatically correct. Okay, there should be no repetition of ideas. Okay, in this way you can get good marks in article writing. Thank you.